Samsung Galaxy S26 leaks just dropped, and it's stirring up smartphone fever. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech hub. A fresh report says Samsung is gearing up to unveil the Galaxy S26 lineup at a Galaxy Unpacked event on February 25, 2026 in San Francisco, with sale availability likely following in early March. That means the next flagship could be just weeks away from stealing headlines and wallets. Biggest buzz? Rumors suggest good news on pricing, with Samsung aiming to keep its base model competitive, potentially around similar starting prices as past Galaxy releases, to avoid scaring off buyers during rising costs. And that's a relief for fans who worried about massive hikes after the S25 series. But it's not all smooth sailing. Multiple insider leaks suggest possible delays or shifts in the usual early launch rhythm. Some sources say the S26 may arrive slightly later than past years, or even be pushed towards March instead of January. Well, Samsung hasn't confirmed anything yet, but this spread of leaks paints a picture of a very real early 2026 launch, and possibly a price that won't make your jaw drop. For tech lovers, that means a new Galaxy is coming sooner than you think, with camera upgrades, performance boosts, and fan anticipation already building. Stay tuned as more details drop, because this next Samsung flagship could be one of the biggest mobile events of the year. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Best Samsung phone has the performance, camera quality, and features you want at a price within your budget. It would be too easy to say the top overall Samsung phone is the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the $1,300 model in a league of its own in terms of price and features. It's a stellar phone, but recommending the most expensive of anything is too obvious and doesn't consider value. The best Samsung phone for most people in our testing is the Galaxy S25, which starts at $800. It includes most of Samsung's high-end features for the best value. For more conservative spending habits, the Galaxy A35 5G is the budget Samsung phone of choice. It's not as powerful as the company's flagship series, but its camera is capable and its battery life is very impressive for a phone that costs $400. The best overall is the Samsung Galaxy S25. The Galaxy S25's biggest updates include an incredibly powerful new processor and new AI features. Battery life is slightly improved, but the design, display, and cameras are largely unchanged from the previous generation. The best budget phone is Samsung's Galaxy A35 5G. Samsung's Galaxy A35 offers a large 6.6-inch 120Hz AMOLED screen, 3 cameras, but you're only likely to use 2, and a premium-like design. Performance is on par with a mid-range device in the $400 price range, but its battery life beats almost every Android phone we've tested, even the most expensive ones. The one with the best camera is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is Samsung's top-end phone in 2025. It's set apart from its Galaxy S25 siblings with its 4 cameras, giant 6.9-inch display, stronger glass screen, and included S Pen stylus. The best foldable phone is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6 features a slightly larger cover screen than previous generations, including Galaxy AI features and a more powerful processor than its predecessors. As with many of the best phones, we thoroughly test Samsung phones by using them as daily drivers for as long as it takes to get a complete picture of their performance, battery life, features, and overall value. Considering our extensive experience with phones, this can take as little as a few days or longer if major new features are introduced. During testing, we run popular and common apps and games and watch for signs of stuttering or slower than expected loading games. We also run the Geekbench 6 CPU and GPU benchmark tests and various benchmark tests in the 3D Mark app to get an idea of year-over-year performance improvements. For AI performance, we've begun benchmarking with the Geekbench AI app. We test camera quality by taking photos of the same scenes with each lens and comparing them to the same images taken with different phones. When we test a new phone's camera, we bring its competitors to take the same size photos at the same time of day and time of year to make accurate comparisons. We also use Samsung phones to take hundreds of personal photos, which weigh heavily in our assessments. These photos reveal a camera's real-life strengths and shortcomings that a testing scenario often misses, like a photo's clarity where subjects are in motion and the everyday experience of using its camera apps. You may not see these key photos in our reviews as they often include friends and family and we respect their privacy. Our battery life test aims to simulate a mix of light and heavy usage with 3 hours of screen on time at a set brightness that's identical to every phone we test. The test includes 5 runs of the Geekbench 6 CPU test, 2 runs of the 3D Mark Wildlife stress test, 1 hour of music streaming while the phone's connected to a Bluetooth speaker, and 2 hours of video streaming. From our testing, the best Samsung phone available now is the Galaxy S25, which offers the best overall combination of performance and features for the price. It's also our top pick for the best small Samsung phone and among the best Android phones you can buy. The best Samsung phone for a more affordable price is the Galaxy A35 5G. Samsung's latest phones in the US are the flagship Galaxy S25 phones, including the base Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Galaxy S25 series launched in January 2025 and is set for release on February 7th. Before that, Samsung's latest release in the US was the mid-range Galaxy S24 FE, released in September 2024. It offers many features of the previous generation flagship Galaxy S24 series, including Galaxy AI at a more affordable $650 starting price. Samsung's wildest phone yet is no longer a rumor. It's coming for your tablet, your phone, and maybe your entire tech lineup. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech hub. The highly anticipated Galaxy Z Trifold, Samsung's triple folding 10-inch screen transformer, is inching closer to its US launch, and the latest leaks make it all but official. According to Fresh Tea, Samsung is actively testing firmware for not one, but 2 US models of the Trifold. First came the carrier-locked version, model SMF968U. Now a new listing has revealed SMF968U1, the unlocked variant that Samsung will directly sell. This means that foldable isn't staying in Korea. It's heading straight for American pockets. What's raising eyebrows is the timing. Firmware testing this late in the year is unusual, especially since rumors point December 5th for the launch, which is just around the corner. But Samsung pushing 2 Trifold versions through testing at once shows the rollout is very real, very active, and very close. And the specs, they're chef's kiss. Leaks claim the Galaxy Z Trifold packs a 6.5-inch outer display and a massive 10-inch internal screen when fully extended. It'll basically turn your phone into a mini tablet with 2 quick flips. The cover screen reportedly hit 2600 nits of brightness, making it one of the brightest panels on any device. Inside, Samsung is expected to use either last year's Snapdragon 8 Elite or Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. If Samsung sticks to the rumored early December launch, we're just days away from learning the price and whether this super phone is the next big leap in mobile tech or just the wildest gadget of the year. Either way, the Trifold era has officially begun. Are you waiting for the launch?